Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we have a Renault Megane 2011, I think. Yeah, 2011. Here is a copy key, but either copy or a lost key is the same process. OBD, it's right here, just in front of the gearbox. I will use the Autel to program this key. Okay, OBD connected. Let's go the emo programming. Let's select the Renault. Make sure you have internet connection. There's the automatic selection. Read the VIN number. You can press the hazard buttons to wake up the VCA module. Okay, reading failed. Let's try one more time. Let's press also on the start stop button. Yeah, now it's read. Perfect. So it's a Megane 3. Okay. Control unit. Let's go on immobilizer CAN. Remote control learning. Let's turn off the Bluetooth. Use the wire straight away with the J2534, the programmer. Okay, let's press key learn. Checking the internet. Let's press start. It will read the pin code. Make sure ignition off. Push the start stop button to wake up car activity. Okay, let's push the button. Press OK. We don't know the pin number, so it will have to calculate. We'll press no. Yes, to read data flash from the vehicle. Yes. Oh, sorry. Go back. Pin reading. Okay. Make sure you also have enough voltage in the battery. It's showing you on the right corner, so it has to be over 12 volts all the time. If no, just connect jump leads on the battery or booster. Okay, let's save the deflash. I'll put Renault Megane. Okay, T11. Okay, data save successful. That's the pin code. Perfect. Do you want to program a blank key card? Yes. Please insert the blank card and press OK to read the card information. Let's insert into the slot. Let's press OK. Card key information read successful. Do you want to program other blank key? Yes. Please insert. Okay, so that's the original key. We just have to put in. Okay. Oh no, sorry. It's already programmed, this one. Okay, some errors made by Autel. But let's check if the keys are working. So this one is working. This one not working. The new one. Okay, let's start again the process. Key learning. Checking the network. Start. Okay. We have the pin code. Okay, yes. Let's put the key inside. No. Okay, programming card. Do you want to program more keys? Yes. Remove the blank card. We put the registered key in. Press OK. Wait 10 seconds and all it should be successful. No, we don't want to program more keys. Number of okay, 2 keys. Perfect. Let's check if everything is okay. Disconnect the Autel. So the remote is working from the new card. Okay. Come on. This one is working too. Let's see if the engine will start with the new key. Perfect. Start button. And yes, it's all done. Okay. Let's check the original key. Perfect. Well done. Everything is working. Remote control one more time. This one has a small issue with the battery. Okay, all done. Now it's everything ready. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any comments or if you have any questions, you can leave me a comment. I will answer as quick as I can. And if you like the video, please don't forget again to subscribe and share. It's free and it's really helpful for my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, and have a nice day.